I like how I took to stage and
hata sioni kitabu.
And once they have come up with those solutions, they don't keep quiet.
In Kajiado, the level of teen pregnancy has been really high. And I think in the last 2 months, we've had 1375 cases of teenage pregnancy. And we are trying to really curb that, just to let them understand about their body. They have an option to say no. And if they are being forced into something, on how best they can report to the organizations on the ground if they cannot be able to reach the government.
Issues is the early marriages, some of which are forced marriages, and it's a cultural issue. We've also had issues of teenage pregnancy, and the worst of all, we've had the cases of FGM.
The students meet during the clubs and societies session, that's on Tuesdays, and they discuss the challenges they go through as teenagers. Once they discuss these challenges, they again sit down and discuss the possible solutions.
Yetu ni kuwaita washikadau wote na hasa viongozi wa jamii na pia hata viongozi wa siasa ama wenye wameajiriwa na serikali. Sisi sote tuweze kushirikiana. Kwanza wale watu wanatekeleza hii ukeketaji tuweze kujua ni akina nani na ndio tuwakomeze.